In this video, we review Interactive Brokers and Tastytrade. Have you used either of these platforms before? What was your experience? Leave your review in the comments section below. Interactive Brokers and Tastytrade are prominent brokerage platforms catering to diverse investor needs. Interactive Brokers, established in 1978, is renowned for its extensive market access and advanced trading tools. Tastytrade, founded in 2011, focuses on options trading with a user-friendly interface. Both platforms offer commission-free trading for stocks, options, and ETFs. However, they differ in their target audiences and feature sets. Interactive Brokers provides access to a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, Forex, bonds, and ETFs. This extensive market access appeals to experienced traders seeking diverse investment opportunities. The platform offers advanced trading tools and analytics, enabling users to execute complex strategies. Additionally, Interactive Brokers supports trading in multiple currencies and international markets, making it suitable for global investors. However, the platform's complexity may be overwhelming for beginners, and its fee structure can be intricate, potentially leading to higher costs for less active traders. Tastytrade, on the other hand, specializes in options trading and is designed with a focus on simplicity and education. The platform offers a powerful trading interface with commission-free trading for stocks, options, and ETFs. Tastytrade provides low options contract fees, making it cost-effective for options traders. The mobile trading app is robust, allowing users to trade on the go. However, Tastytrade has limited external research providers, which may be a drawback for investors seeking comprehensive research tools. Additionally, the platform offers a low interest rate on uninvested cash, which could be a concern for those holding significant cash balances. The advanced features may not be suitable for beginners, and the platform's focus on options trading may not appeal to investors interested in other asset classes. In summary, Interactive Brokers is ideal for experienced traders seeking a comprehensive platform with access to various asset classes and advanced trading tools. Tastytrade is suitable for investors interested in options trading who value a user-friendly interface and educational resources. Both platforms offer commission-free trading, but their suitability depends on individual trading preferences and experience levels.